Welcome everyone, this is 18th HTML and cascading style sheet lesson. But before starting this lesson, let me ask you some questions here. Have you ever used these bold, italic and underline features in Microsoft Word? Yeah, if yes, how it works? Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use like these features in HTML page. For example, here when I select this statement and click on bold, you see will be bolded, right? When I click on italic, will be written in italic form, and when I click on underline, you see it's be underlined, right? The same case like here when I click bold, italic or underline, you see I can make an underline, an italic like this, right? Yeah, this is how you can use these features. But now I'm going to show you how you can use this bold, which is this B, then italic, this is one for I, and this underline as you see this one, right? So now without spending much more time, let us start, right? Yeah, now we have to come here and start our business, right? For example, right, this is, but in heading 1, let us use heading 1, then this is bold example. For example, you can use this statement, you see this is bold example, right? Or this is bold, italic and underline examples. Yeah, now once I save this and I can refresh my page, you see these are what we learned before in the last lesson. You see when I refresh my page, you see this is italic, this is bold, italic and underline example, right? So yeah, now I can now change how these statements appear, right? Please pay attention here, see how it looks like. You see this is bold, italic and underline example, right? When I come back and put here, for example, like bold, you see like this, and then I have to close this here, right, and save it. When I refresh our page, it will display as highlighted, right? You see this is bold, italic and underline example. You see it's now bolded, right? So here, and also in order to display them well, let me put here a break, right? Yeah, now I can now also put here like italic, as I showed you. You can use italic here and then close it here, italic, right? So also when I refresh my page, see how it will be displayed in italic form, right? You see now this is a bold, italic and underline example, is now bolded and written in italic format, right? So to make underline to this statement, we can come here and write underline tag here. You have to open it and close it here, right, like this. So also when I save it and refresh my page, it will display like this. So these are the 3 formatting tags which are bold, italic and underline that you can need when you develop your HTML page. And this is the end of our today lesson. Please, I thank you for watching this video. But if you are new here, please it's time to subscribe, to like this video and to share it to your colleagues. So let me see you in next video.